Hello children, welcome to Nivedita School, subject maths. Lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. Part 1, class 4. So children, you have already learned the addition and subtraction, isn't it? So in this 4th standard, we are going to learn how to add 4-digit number and how to add 5-digit number. Okay children, let us start. So children, let us start addition. Addition with regrouping. So regrouping. So let us add numbers. So here, if we add 5486 plus 3902, what we are going to get? So here we have to arrange the numbers, these numbers in the ones, tens, 100,000. So first write ones, tens, 100,000 and arrange this number 5486. Next plus 3902. Then addition. This is the addition with the regrouping. So step 1 is add the ones. First we have to add ones. So if we add ones, what is that? 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8 ones. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So we have written already 8. So next, second step is add the tens. So already we have added ones. 6 plus 2 is 8. Next we have to add the tens. So in the tens place, 8 plus 0 is what? 8. So 8 plus 0 is 8 tens. This is the second step. 8 plus 0 is 8. Now children, we have to add hundreds. So here 4 plus 9. If we add 4 plus 9, what we are going to get? 13. So we are getting 13 hundreds. It is in a 100 place, no? So 13 hundreds. So here 1 is in thousands place. When you write this one, when you split it, 1000. 3 is in 100 place. So we have to write 3 in 100 place and 1 goes to thousands place. Okay children? 13. It here is a 2-digit number. So 1 goes to thousands place, 3 goes to 100 place. Okay children? Next step. Step 4. Add the thousands. Now what we have to do? Add thousands. 5 plus 3 is how much children? 8. 8 plus 1 we have to what? The carry over. What the when carry over is there, no? Carry over 1. 1 is there. So we have to add. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So here 9000. So understood now how to add? Yes. So children's, the sum of 5486 plus 3902 is how much? 9388. Okay children? Yes. So next, addition with regrouping A. Here the word problem is given. An airline took 24,618 people in 1 month and 28,835 people in the following month. So how many people flew in both the months? See here, aeroplane has taken how many people? 24,618 people in 1 month and 28,835 people in the following months. So how many people both flew in both the months? So they are asking. So we have to add these two numbers. So here step 1, add the ones and regroup. So first we have to arrange these numbers. How? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So here 24,000 this number. 24,618. 24,618. Next 28,835. 28,835. Arrange those numbers in ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Here put the operation sign plus. Okay. Now we have to add the ones and regroup. See here 8 plus 5, what we are going to get? 13. See here 8 plus 5 is 13 ones. Yes, it is in the place, ones place. So 13 ones. Here 13 is a 2-digit number. So here 3 will be in ones place. 3 is in one place and 1 is in tens place. So we have to write 1 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. See here 3 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. So 1 10, 3 ones. So 3 will be in the 1 place and 1 will go to tens place. Okay children, this is the first step. Second step, add the tens. See here 1 plus 1 plus 3. How much you are getting? 5. So this is what the second step. Step 3, add the hundreds and regroup. Now we have to regroup. See here, add the hundreds. 6 plus 8. See, when you add 6 plus 8, what we are going to get? 14. 6 plus 8 is 1400. So here 2-digit number is there. So 4 is in 100 place and 1 is in thousands place, isn't it children? 4 is in thousands place, 4 is in 100 place and 1 is in thousands place. So 4 we have to write in 100 place and 1 in thousands place. Okay children? Yes. So step 4, add the thousands and regroup. Now we have to add thousands. 4 plus 8 is how much? 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 4 plus 8 plus 1 is 13 thousands. It is in the thousands place. So 13 thousands. So he 3 is in thousands place and 1 is in 10 thousands place. So we have to write here 3 in thousands place and 1 is in 10 thousands place. So when we add, so 1 is in 10 thousands place. Okay children? Step 5, add the tens 10,000. See, now we have to add the 10,000. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is how much? 5. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5 10,000. 5 10,000. So here 50 airline flew 53,453 peoples in both the months. See here 53,453. The answer is this one. So now you got how to add and regroup. Yes, no children? Yes. Let us solve the exercise part now. Okay children? So exercise 2.1, addition. Add the following pairs of numbers. So children, you have to solve this one. This one, exercise 2.1, in your textbook as well as in your notes. Okay children, you have to solve this one in textbook as well as in your notes children. So now add the following pairs of numbers. See here 4 plus 5 is what? 9. 5 plus 6 is what? 5 plus 6 is 11. So 11. So 1 carry over here. 6 plus 1 plus 3 is 10. So here carry over 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. This is what the answer. So you have to do it in your notes. Okay children? Next one. 4 plus 8 is 12. So 12. Here 1 carry over. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 1 carry over 2 here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Again 12. 1 carry over here 2. Next 9 plus 1 is 10. This is what the answer we got. So children, you have to solve this one in your notes as well as in your textbook children. Okay? Yes. Next 2 plus 8 is 10. So 1 carry over here 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is how much? 2 plus 6 is how much children? 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay children? Next. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 1 carry over 3. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 1 carry over here 5. Next 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 means 1 carry over here 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9153. So here the key answers are given. You have to solve in your textbook. Okay children? Yes. Second one, add down, check by adding up. So here we have to add down. So 8 plus 3, 4 plus 5 like that. We have to add down and we have to check by adding up. Okay children, this is what the method. Okay, so we will solve this one. How? So children, add downward. So first we have to add downward. 8 plus 3 is how much? 11. 1 carry over 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 5 is 0. Sorry, 10. 1, 0. Next, 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 1 carry over 12. 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. So here we have added in downwards. Check by adding up. So we have to check. Now we have to add. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 1 carry over 1. And 4 plus 5 is 9. So we have to write 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 carry over 0. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So 12 we have to write here. 6 plus 1 plus 1 is 8. So when we add downward or upward, the answer will be same. Isn't it children? The answer will be same. The answer will be same. So okay children, you will solve now this one. Okay, thank you very much. I will end my session. Thank you.